Hello dear guys, welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue the story, the Thief's story that we have already started in our previous classes. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. Here we have seen that Anil and Hari Singh, the two main characters of the story, living together. Yes, means Anil allowed Hari Singh to stay with him. Yes, then what happened? We have seen, as we have seen that Hari Singh, the thief, robbed all the money Anil had that night. Then, after robbing, as he planned, he went to the railway station and found the train there, but he hesitated to board on the train and run away from there. So why he did not go, we will see here. What was the reason behind the hesitation, we will see today. Okay, so look at there. When the train had gone, look at there on the page number 11, second para, up to here we have done. Then when the train had gone, the train, that Lucknow Express, okay, it is Lucknow Express, okay, Lucknow Express 10:30 train. Okay, so when the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. So when the train had gone, as it was the last one train run from that or stop there at that station. Yes, stop at that station. So here when the train had gone, no one was there on the platform. All had gone to their home, we can say, or to their native places or their homes. Okay, so all had gone. So now on that platform, he was the only one on that deserted platform. Look at that, the word is used there, deserted. Yes, deserted. Why? Because everyone had left the places, left the station. उस प्लेटफॉर्म को, स्टेशन को हर किसी ने छोड़ चुका था, and that's why on that platform he was the only one. No one was there. It was deserted platform. All had gone back to their places, their homes, and that's why no one was there on that platform. He was the only one. Then I had no idea where to spend the night. And here Hari Singh had no idea where to spend the night. Yes, कहाँ वो पूरी रात गुजारे, he had no idea. Why? Because I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And why he had no idea to spend the night? Where to spend the night? Why he had no idea where to spend the night? Because he had no friend in that city. He had no friend except Anil. No acquaintance was there in that city except Anil. अनिल को छोड़कर वहां किसी भी व्यक्ति को वो जानता नहीं था. No friend was there in that city of him. उसका एक भी दोस्त वहां नहीं था. Why? Because he had a strong belief. Because Hari Singh had a strong belief. And what is that strong belief? Here Hari Singh believed that friends were more trouble than help. So due to this belief, friends were more trouble than help. Due to this belief, he had no friend in that city. He had no friend, and due to that, he had no place to spend that night. He had no place. Yes. So then what happened? As he had no place to spend the night, as he had no friends in that city, so then look what he did. Look what he did. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. And look at there, the another thought came in his mind. As there was no friend, there was no friend of him, but he could stay in the hotels. Yes, he could stay in any one of the hotels. But he did not. Why? Because he did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the hotels near the station. स्टेशन के आजू बाजू के किसी होटल में रुक कर वो he did not want to make other curious, किसी को भी अपने प्रति जानने के लिए उत्सुक को बनाना नहीं चाहता था. And it is obvious. Why? Because if you stay in any hotel, you have to show your ID. Yes, you have to show your identity card, etc. So that means you are making others curious to know about you. And his intention was not that. Why? Because he was thief. He had no his permanent identity. He was changing his name, or he kept changing his name every month. So if he would go to any hotel, he would have been caught. And that's why he did not want to make other curious by staying at any one of the hotels near the station. So then where then he would go? फिर अब कहाँ जाएगा? He had no place, he had no friends, so no place. Then he could not stay in any hotel. So then where he would go that night? So look at there. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. That means Anil. The only person he knew well, and that was Anil. And he had robbed him, so he could not go back to him. So then, leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Then he left the station and went towards the bazaar. Okay. Then he walked slowly through the bazaar. फिर बाजार से वो धीरे धीरे जाने लगा. In my short career as a thief, as we have seen, he was just of 15 years old. सिर्फ 15 साल का छोटा सा करियर. उसमें भी as a thief और कम होगा. It is not clearly mentioned how much it is, but that can be of 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, whatever. Okay, but his career as a thief was very short, and in that I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. Yes, and here he is talking about, means here the speaker, the thief Hari Singh, is talking about the face reading. As a thief, he had many experience. Okay, that means much experience of robbing people. He had much experience. So there he said, as he noticed the faces, or as he read the faces of people who are robbed, there he said his experience. He said that he had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear. So look at there, greedy man when they are robbed, yes, or when their goods are lost, they showed fear. Okay, so look at the greedy man showed fear. Then the next one is the rich man showed anger. Okay, greedy man showed fear, rich man showed anger, and poor man showed acceptance and poor. Okay, Poor showed acceptance. Okay, poor man showed acceptance, and but I knew that Anil's face. But here he said, what would be the reaction? What would be the reaction of Anil? There he said, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, and Anil would show, touch of sadness. So that would be the reaction of Anil. He thought over it. कि उसके ऊपर सोचने लगा कि what would be the effect of this on Anil. Then what happened? Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. And this would be because of loss of trust. Yes, loss of trust that he had on हरी सिंह के ऊपर जो उसने ट्रस्ट किया था, उस ट्रस्ट का ब्रेक होने की वजह से वो दुखी होगा. नॉट फॉर द मनी के लिए वो दुखी नहीं होगा, बट फॉर द लॉस ऑफ ट्रस्ट. So that is what he thought over it while walking through the bazaar. He thought over it. Yes, and then look at what happened. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. Yes, while walking through bazaar, he now reached to the Maidan which was there, and then he sat on. Maidan means here what we can say, the open space which was there in the bazaar. Bazaar में कोई एक open space रहा होगा, garden में भी. So there he reached, and then he sat on a bench. एक bench के ऊपर वो बैठ जाता है. The night was chilly, and that night was chilly means cold. ठंडी वो रात थी. It was early November, and as we know November it is winter season in India. Yes, November जो होता है वो अपने यहाँ winter season होता है. So that's why it was chilly November. Okay, so then, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Actually he was discomfort. Why? Because he was thinking over his robbing. Secondly, it was chilly night. Yes, and into that discomfort a drizzle was added, a light drizzle means बूंदाबांदी, हल्की जो बारिश होती है, रिमझिम बारिश होती है, that is called drizzle. Okay, drizzle. Okay, light rainfall, drizzle. Okay, बूंदाबांदी, हल्की जो बूंदाबांदी होती है, that is called drizzle. So what happened there? He was already discomfort. Why? Because he had robbed Anil. Secondly, it was chilly night and he had no warm clothes with him. So in that discomfort, the drizzle, a light drizzle was added. Yes, and soon it was raining quite heavily. He was in the Maidan on a bench, and it started raining heavily. After drizzle it started raining heavily. Okay, started raining heavily. Okay, so then what happened? Let's see. Then my shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. And there he says, then his clothes, that shirt and pajama, they all became wet, and that's why they stuck to his body. और इसलिए उसके body को, skin को चिपक जाते हुए, because these clothes became wet. पूरे कपड़े उसके गीले हो चुके थे. And the cold wind as it was November, ठंडी हवाएं चल रही थी. It was facing, yes, it means that all was blowing across his face. And again the rain was also. So then I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So then as it was raining, he went back to the bazaar को वापस जाता है, and then sat down in a shelter of the clock tower. एक clock tower उस बाजार में होता है, तो उसके नीचे वो बैठ जाता है, और he took shelter there. ओके, वहां वो आश्रय लेता है, शेल्टर मीन्स आश्रय लेना. एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन देयर. द क्लॉक शोड मिडनाइट. द क्लॉक शोड मिडनाइट. अब वहां वो जो क्लॉक थी, यस, इन दैट क्लॉक टावर, उस क्लॉक टावर में जो क्लॉक थी, इट वाज शोइंग मिडनाइट. अब रात के 12 बज चुके थे. यस, 12 मिडनाइट. 12 midnight it was now. Okay, अब उस समय 12 हो चुके थे. I felt for the notes, and then he felt for the notes means he touched the notes. Yes, a small bundle of notes. They were damp from the rain. They were damp. Damp means wet. Yes, damp. गीले हो चुके थे. These rupees, yes, the notes were damp. और पैसे भी गीले हो चुके थे, as his pajama and shirt were also. So same, the rupee, the money was also damp. Then Anil's money, in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. Look at there. Then he started thinking over money, Anil's money. Then when he touched the money, when he touched the notes, then he started thinking about it. What would have happened in the morning. And there he says, Anil's money, oh, in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. And then he started thinking over it. और फिर वो सोचने लगा कि अनिल ने शायद मुझे कल सुबह 2 या 3 रुपया दिया होता या देता टू गो टू सिनेमा जाने के लिए. बट नाउ आई हैड इट ऑल. 2 या 3 रुपये ही दिया होता और मैं आज पूरा पैसा लेके हूँ. I couldn't cook his meals, but now means here he regretted for his rob or his deed. For his deed, he regretted there. He started regretting for it. There he said, "Oh, I could not cook for Anil. मैं अनिल के लिए खाना नहीं बना पाऊंगा." And run to बाजार. और बाजार जाना to buy day's supplies. So there he started thinking over it. He started regretting for his deed. Yes, and in that regret, suddenly he remember, or he memorize, or not memorize, but he remember that he would learn to write whole sentences anymore. Then he suddenly he remembered that Anil was about to teach him to write whole sentences and many more. So then look at there, while he was thinking all these, what happened there? I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Then there he says, I had forgotten what? To learn to read and write. To learn to write whole sentences. Okay, this is what the thing he remembered. Okay, उसी समय उसको अचानक ये चीज याद आती है. And there he said, oh, what I had done. I had forgotten in the excitement of the theft that, what is that? He means whole sentences. There he said he was about to teach me to write whole sentences, but in the excitement of theft, I had forgotten. That means he had forgotten that he was about to learn how to write whole sentences, but in the excitement of theft, he forgot that. And then there he says, I knew whole sentences could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. He knew very well that once he became a literate, educated, he would earn more than these few hundred rupees. इन कुछ रुपयों से भी कहीं ज्यादा वो कमाएगा अगर वो पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना सीख जाएगा. He knew very well. So then let's see what happens there. It was a simple matter of steel. Okay, it was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. It is simple matter to steal karna. It is just a simple matter for him. Why? Because as we have seen, though he was of just 15, but he was experienced and highly successful hand, we can say, highly successful hand in that. And that's why here he says it is just a matter, it is just a simple matter to steal, sometimes to be caught, कभी कभी पकड़ा जाना भी, but to be really a big man, a clever and respected man was something else. But एक बड़ा आदमी बनना, respected बनना, educated बनना, it is something else it is. So there he knew the importance of becoming educated. Yes, educated बनने का वो महत्व जानता था. He knew very well the importance of learning, writing whole sentences. He knew very well, and that's why there he decided I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So look at there, why he decided to go back to Anil. Why did he decide to go back to Anil? Why? Because if only to learn to read and write. Okay, this is the reason. Yes, this is the reason due to what he decided to go back to Anil. यही वो कारण है जिसकी वजह से वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो अनिल के पास वापस जाएगा. एंड देन आई हरीड बैक टू द रूम फीलिंग वेरी नर्वस फील करते हुए वापस जाता है. फॉर इट इज मच ईजियर टू स्टील समथिंग देन टू रिटर्न इट अनडिटेक्टेड. बट when he came back or went back to Anil's room, there he was nervous. Why? Because as he said, it is easy to rob, but to keep all the money back at its same place undetected is very difficult. Okay, undetected मतलब बिना पकड़े जाए वापस से पैसा उसी जगह रखना, it is a difficult task. And that's why there he says, there he felt very nervous. Okay, he hurried back to room feeling very nervous. Why? Because it is much easier to steal something. Why? वो nervous क्यों था? Because for him it was easy to rob anything or steal something than to return it undetected. उसको return undetected return करना was not easy. Yes, and that's why he was nervous. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Clouded as it was raining outside, so it was cloudy night. And then Anil was still asleep. Anil अभी भी सो रहा था. I crept to the head of the bed. He crept, रेंगते हुए वो उस बेड के सर तक जाता है. And then my hand came up with the notes. Then he took out the money. Yes, the notes. And then I felt his breathe on my hand. He felt his breathe. मतलब इतना साउंड स्लीप वो अनिल सो रहा था कि he felt his breathe. Yes, हरी सिंह उसकी ब्रीदिंग भी फील कर पा रहा था. I remained still for a minute. जैसे इसके साइड टर्न होता है, ब्रीदिंग फील करता है तो कुछ देर के लिए वहीं रुक जाता है. And then my hand found the edge of the mattress as he wanted to keep back money, return it. So he crept his hand under the mattress and then found the edge of mattress and slipped under it with the notes. And then he kept back all the money. Okay, बाकी सारे पूरे नोट्स वो वापस वहीं रख देता है. Okay, but remember here the notes that he kept were wet, damp. Yes, गीली नोट थी वो उसने जब रखा. Yes, और जब लेके गया था तब that time these were crispy. Yes, crispy थे जिस समय उसने लेके गया था, एकदम कड़क थे. But now these were wet. But let's see what happens next morning. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Next morning he woke up late. Why? Because he slept very late that night. क्योंकि उस रात वो बहुत लेट सोया था एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही वोक अप लेट दैट मॉर्निंग, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. ओके, एंड देन व्हेन ही वोक अप दैट टाइम ही फाउंड दैट अनिल हैड ऑलरेडी मेड टी. अनिल ने ऑलरेडी चाय बना चुका था एंड ही स्ट्रेच्ड आउट हिज हैंड टुवर्ड्स मी. और उसने, जब मैं सो के उठा तब देखा कि उसने चाय बना चुका था और अपने हाथ मेरे तरफ सामने स्ट्रेच आउट कर रहा था, मतलब किया हुआ था. अब देखो उसने हाथ जो स्ट्रेच आउट किया था वो किस चीज़ के लिए. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. Look at there. Hari Singh thought he would probably give him 2 or 3 rupees to see the cinema. But here he gave him 50 rupee note. Yes, this it was there between his fingers. My heart sank. And when he saw the 50 rupee note in his hand to give me, yes, so here the heart of thief Hari Singh sank. yes, इसका दिल मतलब डूब गया. एक्चुअली यहाँ डूबना है, सैंक ने डूबने वाला नहीं होगा, इसका दिल भर आया. yes, drenched. And then what happened? I thought I had been discovered. अब दुखी क्यों हो रहा था या सैंक क्यों हो रहा था? क्योंकि इसको लग रहा था कि मेरी चोरी पकड़ी ना जाए. क्यों? Because look at the why. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now we will be paid regularly. But here he was, means his heart sank. Why? Because he thought something in his mind. He thought that his robbing or his theft would be caught. He thought that. उसको लग रहा था कि उसकी चोरी पकड़ी जाएगी और वो कुछ बोलेगा. But Anil said nothing. Instead he said he had made some money the previous day and said then he will be paid regularly. He will be paid means Hari Singh would be paid regularly. अब हरी सिंह को रेगुलर पेमेंट होगा. Anil said. ओके, अनिल ने ऐसा कहा तो ये हरी सिंह सोचने लग गया. देखो क्या हुआ. My spirits rose. But when I took the note, my spirits rose. Spirits rose means he thought that my theft had not been caught. मेरी चोरी पकड़ी नहीं गई, ये सोचकर वो खुश हुआ. yes, but लेकिन जैसे ही खुश हुआ और जैसे ही when I took the note, when the thief Hari Singh took the note, जैसे इसने नोट अपने हाथ में लिया, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. अभी भी वो नोट गीली थी. so what is the meaning of that? what means it? इसका मतलब क्या है? Anil caught him. Anil understood that he took money but came back and returned it. yes, Anil understood. अनिल को समझ में आ चुका था किसने चोरी किया था, लेकिन वापस से भी फिर पैसे रख दिया. yes, but Anil said nothing. लेकिन अनिल ने कुछ नहीं कहा. neither he said a word nor he handed him over to the police. ना ही इसको पुलिस के हवाले किया. nor he said even a single word. ना ही एक शब्द कहा. so why? क्या बात होगी या फिर क्यों होगा ऐसा? so look at there. today we will start writing sentences, he said. अब इसको ना पुलिस के हवाले किया, ना कुछ शब्द कहा, बल्कि कहा कि टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट. टुडे मीन्स दैट डे दे वुड स्टार्ट राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस. लुक एट देयर. मतलब कुछ ना डांटते हुए ना कुछ बोलते हुए, बल्कि उसको कहा कि चलो आज से हम सेंटेंसेस लिखना शुरू करेंगे. ही न्यू, उसको पता था. किसे? अनिल को. बट नीदर हिज लिप्स नॉर हिज आईज showed anything. what a generous man he was. yes, बहुत ही जनरस काइंड आदमी था वो कि उसने नोटिस करने के बावजूद भी neither he said any word nor his eyes means nor his lips nor eyes showed anything. उसकी ना ही आंखें और ना ही लिप्स कुछ नहीं कहा. yes, I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. and then यहाँ जो उसने मोस्ट स्माइलिंग अपील जो दी थी, यस, मोस्ट अपीलिंग स्माइल जो दिया था किसने? हरी सिंह ने. इट वॉज सिंसियर स्माइल. इट वॉज नाउ. Yes, then the smile came by itself without any effort. That means sincere smile he gave at the end of the story. Yes, so this is what a good conduct or forgiveness. Yes, forgiveness can bring changes, can bring change in any person. So same here, the forgiveness, the quality of Anil and his kind and generous nature, conduct, changed the entire personality of the thief Hari Singh. And that is what the message of this story is. Yes, यही इस स्टोरी का एक मैसेज है. यस, वो चोर या कोई भी हो, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि वाल्या क्या वाल्मीकि बन जाना, हम अपने मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स में बहुत बार पढ़े हैं. तो सेम वैसे ही है कि a good conduct can change the personality of other person, even of evil one. बुरे व्यक्ति को अभी पर्सनैलिटी को क्या कर सकता है, चेंज कर सकता है. So I hope you got the story very well. So do complete the question answers. Okay, so guys, in our next video lecture we will come up with another one part. Okay, so see you soon. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Bye bye.